In the professional malpractice area, the professional who is being sued, this is a very personal attack. And we recognize that, and we understand that this is a very emotional case when someone is accusing you of malpractice. We try to address not only the concerns that the professional has from the fact that I'm being sued, but how will this impact his or her practice going forward? Whether that is, will this affect their insurance in the future? Does the practitioner or the professional have a reporting requirement? Will it affect their ability to be a covered entity under a health insurance plan? We address those needs and we monitor those needs to make sure that the best possible outcome can occur for that professional. The professional has to be involved in the decision as to whether or not the case should settle or if the case should proceed to trial. We try not to have surprises. We try to get in front of a case to understand what the risks are to our client in a professional malpractice case. But ultimately, the decisions as to whether or not the case goes forward is going to be with the client, the professional who is being sued, and that professional's insurance. In a situation where a professional has professional liability insurance, most of the time we're retained by the insurance company to provide a defense for their insured. Our duty is to their insured, but yet we have to keep the insurance company aware of the status of the case and the process going forward, and we have to follow their guidelines. So we make it a very conscious effort to meet all their guidelines, their reporting requirements, and keep them informed just as we do our typical non-insured client in any litigation practice, but we take those responsibilities seriously. And one of the things that I was taught early in my career is to listen to clients. And sometimes the clients don't know the best way forward, and they rely on their attorney to assist them in reaching the result that they need. But the very first step is you have to listen to your clients. You need to establish a line of communication so that the client feels comfortable talking about anything and everything that could affect their case. And I feel like I'm really good at that. We take the extra step to get to know our clients and to know what their practice is all about. We understand that professionals are very busy. So if we need to meet early in the morning before a doctor starts rounds, or an architect starts work, or if we need to meet after hours or on the weekends, we do that. It's not uncommon for us to receive text messages from a professional at all hours of the day, and we try to respond to those. So we try to establish an easy way for the professional to have the professional's questions answered at their convenience, not at ours. If people have questions after viewing this video and they need more information about the defense of professional malpractice cases, they can contact me and we can set up an appointment and discuss these issues.